It's very important for us students at Montessori to take care of the garden because it's kind of just the Montessori way, independence. And plus we get to eat all the food afterwards, so it's a win-win for everyone. I really like the ability to be able to work independently because, well, it gives a sense of freedom. That's why helping out with the garden actually goes along with the Montessori way. Because as I said earlier, it builds up independence, and plus, it's just really nice doing it.
Here at Montessori, the experience helps build trust, independence, and especially a bond between you, your friends, and your teachers.
The garden cleanup is important to me and other students because it's a fun way to handle science. It makes me feel like I am free and I can flow in the wind. And also, it makes me feel happy to know that my teachers trust me.
The kids are responsible, the fifth graders particularly, for the garden cleanup. They'll be doing the mulch between the beds, but every class participates in the gardens at our school. It's not just a fifth grade effort. One of the things at Montessori that the kids really thrive on is that sense of internal success. They're not doing it right because the teacher's watching them, they're doing it right because they want to participate in the activity. The other thing that we do is we link our lessons inside with outside. So everybody right now in the whole school's doing their units on plants and planting. So the garden opportunity is a great way to bring all of that indoor science work outdoors. And as you heard from the kids, it makes it more enjoyable and it adds that sense of independence and responsibility that we try to foster here.